Our day trade. So once again, welcome all of you. So let us look into the Nifty chart. This is futures Nifty chart. So overall view, when you looked into, I was just explaining you this futures Nifty is moving sideways for quite some time, but with the negative bias. So today we will analyze the important locations for our entry point. Overall, if you look into the way it was showing in the daily chart, a kind of tilt towards the downside, and the support level which was intact for almost for 2 weeks have broken today. So there is overall general weakness in this market, and as I was just explaining you, the weakness in the daily chart really showing us once it breaks this 9,000 levels, there could be a sharp fall. That sharp fall can take to the next level of 8,850. So this is the next support level. So we'll have to be cautious about these current levels, because any sharp breakdown can take it to 8,850 levels. So we'll have to be alert and be cautious. This is one caution I'm giving before I go to the intraday analysis. So I'm moving to the lower time frame for our day trading. We look into the day trading situation. So in the last few days, continuously it is making lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So the trend is on the downside. So current downtrend is showing us for further weakness. When I looked into the important resistance for the day, it is falling somewhere here. Okay, the range which I am looking at, this could be the range for selling. So in this area, there could be a strong resistance. The resistance level starts from 9,128 to say about 9,150. Say 9,128 to 9,150. This is the strong resistance area. So any bounce back of this market, then we can see there could be a lot of selling pressure come onto this area. In case market bounces today, we can look for shorting in this area. This is the one trading opportunities. The second opportunity is on the downside. When I look into the downside, currently it is having a very strong support in this area. This is intraday basis. So this is the strong support area for intraday basis. The level is between 9,035 to 55. So this area also can be used for our buying, intraday buying. This is not no carry position, because any fall, there could be a substantial fall that could lead to 150 points fall. That's what I'm giving a caution. So currently we are looking into the two important areas. One is this 9,128 to 150 area for selling, and currently we are close to the buying zone only, but you'll have to check up. The stop loss should be 9,030, something like that. So if you are ready for that, there is a small attempt that can be made. This is the support area between 9,030 to 9,050. So these are the two areas we should keep in our mind for our day trade. So overall weightage is on the selling side. There is a pressure, but having sold, this will have a bounce back. No, this is a pullback rally could happen. This pullback rally can move towards this area for booking your profit. So any long you make around this 9,050-60 area should be exited around 9,100 to 105 area to be on the safe side. And since it bounces to this area, this could be the selling point. So this is how we should plan for that day. The range for our going long and going short is identified. wait for the opportunity, and you can start playing around. Quickly we look into these sectors. Just I'm moving on to sector analysis. We'll start with banking sector first. So the banking sector for the day, already it is gap down, almost gap down. Actually, it's not a gap down. It opened close to the yesterday's close and start falling. There is a considerable amount of fall. The weakness is more in the banking sector. So currently, you can see the banking sector is showing a lot of weakness and continue to show weakness. Any bounce here is all for the selling opportunity. So still, this is banking sector is still weaker. Next, quickly we'll go the other sectors, that is auto. So automobile sector was showing some strength in the daily chart. If you look into, this is the one which is showing some kind of positive momentum till now, because all others were below its latest to low, but this is the only thing which is showing some kind of upward momentum. But on intraday basis, if you look into today also, it opened with a gap and start falling. This is also a intraday basis, there is a weakness, but Nifty bounces back. This is the one sector which will give you a buying opportunity. So automobile is one sector can give you Nifty moves on positive side. You can focus on auto. So auto may be showing some strength for intraday basis. This is to be looked at. The next sector which we are going to look into is FMCG. FMCG, fast moving consumer goods sector. I was just explaining you this sector after a drastic fall, it is moving on the sideway. The sideway momentum still continues, and this is the daily chart. This is moving up and down on sideway basis. Today also it is on sideway. Despite market moving up and down, it is on the sideway momentum. But this is one sector which is looked into for a long-term investment. Since despite all weakness in the economy, FMCG is the one sector or a defensive sector like to do well. So next to automobile sector, FMCG is showing some kind of strength here because there is a bottom, and here this, if it takes off, this will be a double bottom. So now we are taking FMCG also slightly on the positive side, if Nifty also keep moving up. So we'll have to wait for the kind of movement after this formation. If Nifty moves up, there could be a bounce back, but you'll have to be very careful that any break this bottom could be a substantial fall like this, because this fall happened, this is a pullback rally, another fall is on the making. If this bottom is broken, then equal to this fall could happen for rest of the day. So we'll have to be very careful with this bottom. Bottom should be a stop loss. Then next we will go for healthcare, that is pharma. The pharma sector, which was showing a lot of strength for some time, but now like FMCG, it is also on the sideway movement. Yesterday it showed some strength, and today it did not break its yesterday's low. That is one positive thing, but yesterday closing was broken. That is a negative thing for the day, but still pharma is one sector looked at positively by all the institutions. So we look into the intraday behavior. Intraday behavior is showing a good amount of weakness. Already started showing weakness. You can see here it started making lower top formation and breaking its today's low. So currently the pharma is showing good amount of weakness. So pharma is weak now. Already it broke the support area. It is I'll just show you in the a little more time, lower time frame formats, so we'll understand that it closed lower and start falling further. So this is showing weakness. More weakness can come. Then we look into the IT sector. I'm just taking to the IT sector. So IT sector, in the daily chart we look into IT sector which was showing strength till 13th May, when it opened with the gap and start falling. This is also now close to its support level. That could be a sideways momentum because this one sector did not go along with the Nifty for some time, and it is giving a lot of strength when Nifty was moving up. So today it is weak, and the weakness also we will assess on intraday chart. You can see here after the good amount of fall, it is holding the bottom. It did not break the bottom, but at the same time, after the raise, you can see there is a doji. Doji is saying I am not able to go up, so it is struggling here. So it is on the sideway. As far as we are concerned today, IT is on sideway. And final sector which we want to look at is the metal. How metal will behave or likely to behave for the day, we will look into. See, metal actually was showing some strength 2 days back. It opened the gap, but it couldn't withstand, then start falling. Even though it is falling, but compared with other sectors, some kind of a strength still prevails, because all the sectors were closer to the bottom of the sideway movement. It is on top of the sideway movement. So metal is showing some kind of a strength. So let us look into the day chart. Yes. Today, all other sectors are on the lower side of this today's band, but it opened slightly, slightly. It is with the gap up only. So it opened with the gap. Even though there was a kind of profit booking happened in the first 15 minutes, then it recovered. So still today, compared with all other sectors, so metal is the one showing a lot of strength. So metal looks stronger. So now you'll have to plan your day, wait for the opportunity to enter and make an entry. So I hope you like this video. You can subscribe, like, share, and give your comments. Thank you very much.